Today I am reviewing NZXT H6 Flow RGB. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a PC case that combines stunning design, excellent airflow, and modern build features, then the NZXT H6 Flow RGB mid-tower is definitely worth your attention. This case has quickly become a favorite among gamers, PC enthusiasts, and content creators alike. And in today's review, I'll break down everything you need to know before making it the centerpiece of your next build. Let's start with the design. The H6 Flow RGB comes in a beautiful white finish, paired with wraparound panoramic glass panels. Unlike traditional cases, this design provides a seamless, unobstructed view of your components. That means your GPU, cooling setup, and RGB lighting are always on full display, creating a clean and modern look. It's not just about showing off, though. The dual-chamber layout ensures your system looks tidy and uncluttered. Now let's talk about airflow and cooling, because performance is just as important as aesthetics. This case comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans, strategically angled for optimized cooling right out of the box. The fans not only keep your system temperatures under control, but also add vibrant RGB lighting to give your build that premium gamer aesthetic. To enhance airflow further, both the top and side panels feature perforated patterns, which allow more air to pass through while also helping to filter out dust. And because of its dual-chamber design, your power supply and cables are tucked neatly into their own compartment, improving airflow directly to the components that need it most, like your CPU and GPU. Speaking of cable management, NZXT has really thought this through. The case includes wide routing channels and straps that make it easy to organize cables. Even if you're not an experienced builder, the intuitive system helps you achieve a professional-looking setup without frustration. Clean cable management not only looks better, but also boosts airflow efficiency inside the case. When it comes to compatibility, the NZXT H6 Flow RGB is surprisingly versatile for a mid-tower. It supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX motherboards, making it a flexible option no matter what kind of system you're planning. It can also accommodate both 2.5-inch SSDs and 3.5-inch hard drives, giving you plenty of storage options. Expansion is no problem either, with 7 PCIe slots and support for large GPUs, which is a must-have for modern gaming builds. The case includes multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 support, so connecting external devices is fast and convenient. With a bottom-mounted power supply, weight distribution is stable and airflow remains optimized. At just over 9 kilograms in weight and 17 inches tall, it's compact enough to fit comfortably on most desks, but still roomy enough for serious gaming hardware. Now, while this case excels in many areas, it's important to note a couple of things. First, although it comes with 3 excellent RGB fans, you might want to add additional cooling if you're planning a high-end build with overclocking or water cooling. Fortunately, the H6 Flow RGB is designed to support additional fans or radiators if you want to go the liquid cooling route. Second, the case is primarily focused on air cooling efficiency, so while it does support liquid cooling, it's best suited for gamers who prefer air setups with some added flexibility. On the reliability side, NZXT backs this case with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, and with a 4.8-star rating from thousands of customer reviews, it's clear that builders are more than satisfied with the quality and design. To sum it all up, the NZXT H6 Flow RGB mid-tower airflow case is an excellent choice for gamers and PC builders who want the perfect balance of style, airflow, and usability. Its panoramic glass panels make it visually stunning, the dual-chamber design keeps everything neat, and the included RGB fans deliver both performance and flair. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig, a streaming setup, or even a powerful workstation, the H6 Flow RGB has the flexibility and cooling performance to handle it all. If you want a modern, airflow-optimized, and RGB-ready case that makes building easier while keeping your PC cool and stylish, the NZXT H6 Flow RGB is absolutely one of the best mid-tower options available right now.